Panera Bread now facing a second wrongful death lawsuit tied to its caffeinated charged lemonade. The lawsuit filed Monday alleges Panera's lemonade drink caused the death of a Florida man after he went into cardiac arrest when he left the restaurant.
Okay, but there's more to this story, right?
Yeah.
So joining us on the KOGO News Live line, attorney Lin McCraw. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Doing good. So this puppy has 390 milligrams of caffeine, which is really close to the FDA's 400 milligram daily maximum intake. And he had been drinking it for 6 days.
That's what the facts say. And the interesting thing is, just so that the listeners understand, 390 milligrams of caffeine looks to be more than both Red Bull and Monster energy drinks combined.
Oh.
So it's a very significant amount of caffeine in just one drink.
Okay, so he'd been drinking it for 6 days. He was a member of Panera's Unlimited Sip Club, where you can order unlimited drinks. So here's the question, Lynn. How much are companies to blame, and how much of it comes down to personal responsibility?
That's usually the question in a lot of lawsuits, and that is a question for the jury. And all of that is going to depend upon all of the facts and circumstances surrounding this. In addition, this man is 46 years old. We don't know anything about his other habits or his other health conditions that were involved. And I can promise you that the lawsuit will ferret those things out. A cardiac arrest can be caused by a lot of factors. Caffeine can be a contributing factor for sure. One of the things that I find interesting about the Panera Bread problem is that there's a difference when a person what their expectations are. When they expect a charged lemonade, are they expecting something that is almost at the daily maximum amount for one drink of caffeine? Are they expecting something different? It would be like you and I going to a restaurant ordering a cocktail. We think it's a balanced cocktail. Instead, it's 2/3 full of Everclear with a little splash of something else in it. So there's going to be some questions along expectations. There's going to be some questions along personal responsibility for continuing this use 6 or 7 days in a row. I can promise you that is something the defense lawyers will certainly talk about. And as a plaintiff's lawyer, I would be talking about it as well. I'd be talking about the warnings that went with that. I mean, were they warned? Were they told that there are 390 milligrams of caffeine, that 400 milligrams was the maximum daily allowance to safely use? I would be exploring all of those options.
So Panera's putting warning labels on, but is that enough when it comes down to it?
Well, it depends upon what the warning label says. And it also depends upon who your target is as far as who your target market is. We've seen some situations in which warning labels were kind of used as a marketing device, right? We're gonna market to kids. We're gonna say, man, this is dangerous. Here you go, kid. That is not what I think we have here. But I don't know what the warning label said. We'll have to see what the warning label said. I understand that the first young woman that died allegedly from this lemonade in another state in Pennsylvania, I believe. At that point they were alleging there was no warning signs. I don't know what type of warning signs they had on this particular situation.
All right, attorney Lin McCraw joining us. Thank you very much for your time, Lynn.
All right, thank you.